Guys, if you don't know here yet, me go tell you no what go on now. The PNP a promise free parties for everybody pan Friday. Continue watching the video and you'll see exactly what I am trying to tell you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is our reaction channel, guys. This is a channel is more of a fun channel. We're not here to fight, we're not here to argue. We are very respectful. And guys, just remember, to watch more videos like these, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. So let me just get right into it now. All right, folks, I see the PNP is in the news again. Now this time is launching their big election manifesto. And you know, politicians love a manifesto, especially when election time coming up. Suddenly, every politician becomes Santa Claus, promising gifts for everybody. Take off the tax from overtime, take off the tax from pension. Next week, free parties for everybody on Fridays. If you listen to them, you'd think Jamaica about to turn into Disneyland, but with more potholes. But let's get into it. The PNP say they want to remove tax from overtime pay for workers earning under 6 million a year. Now, I'm all for taking home more money, but when I heard the plan, it sounded strangely familiar, like deja vu, but with more curry goat. Then it hit me. This is straight out of Donald Trump 2025 remix. You know, things gone crossways when Jamaican politician reading Trump's tax plan like it is the CXC syllabus. I can picture them in a back room. Me like that one. No tax pan overtime. Me I write that down. No tax pan tips. Me take that too. Wait, who have a red tie? Honestly, at this point, if the PNP win, we might as well start calling the Prime Minister the Honorable Donald Simpson Trump. Next thing you know, campaign posters with Make Kingston Great Again, hats, and you know, Jamaicans love a big hat, especially if it's hitting the real plan. And the pension thing, Trump said, no tax on social security income. PNP say, no tax on pension. What's next? Trump promised to build a wall. PNP might build a fence around the Bob Marley statue and call it national security. You even notice how politicians, when they're running for office, always have big, bold ideas, but as soon as they win, it's like the ideas get stuck in customs. Boss, they plan, they pan, the wharf, but the paperwork not done yet. But for real, if every policy we have is coming from America, what's the point of even having a parliament? We can just live stream Congress and call it a day. Today in Parliament, we're watching what the Americans doing and following suit. Any questions? If you have questions, leave it in the comment. Picture the next budget speech. Madam Speaker, to balance the budget, we will do exactly what Trump did last week. If it worked for them, it must work for we. Right? Next thing you know, instead of the national anthem, we start every session with the Star Spangled Banner. Me remember when teachers used to say, don't copy your friend homework or else you both get 0. But in politics, if you copy, you can get a round of applause until people realize the answers don't fit the question. But for us Jamaicans, we quick to spot a copycat. The minute they plan no add up, the whole country a ball. How this? As America we living in? Is it America we living in? or America we're pretending to be? Guys, don't get me wrong. I love the idea of more money in the pocket. If politicians really want to impress, how about removing tax from KFC extra piece? From every party bought after midnight. No, that's a manifesto Jamaicans will get behind. So listen, politicians, me beg you, come with something original. Golden, me beg you, come with something original. Me tired to hear people vote for people who only bring foreign copy and paste. Jamaica want a leader who can stand up and say, yes, this is our Jamaican idea. Not me just Google it and change the accent. Because if we keep copying America, all we're going to end up with is more confusion, more chaos, and the worst part, American prices with Jamaican salaries. Anyway, guys, if you watched the video this far, kindly make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, and you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all new videos as soon as I post them. And see you in the next video.